In today's video, we are checking out the new JBL Quantum 200 gaming headset. So let's test this thing out and see if they are actually worth it. Before getting to the video, if you want to find the best deals on these headphones, you can head to the first link down below in the description. So JBL launched their new Quantum gaming headphone series. There are a lot of options in this series. The most affordable ones are the 100, 200 and 300. I have already posted the review about 100 and 300 and today it's the time for the 200. First of all, let's do a quick unboxing and then we will talk about these headphones. So here is the shipping package from Amazon. Let's open it up and bam, here is the retail box of the Quantum 200. As we are in the process of unboxing this, let's take a second to remove this ugly plastic sheet. Now it's better. So here is the box. The first thing we can see is that it says sound is surreal, followed by an image of the headphones itself. Now down here we can also see it support PC, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, mobile, Mac and VR. Now on the side we have their tagline and on the other side we have some frequency response. Getting to the back, they have listed all the features like JBL Quantum signature sound and 50mm driver, light and durable memory foam cushions, voice focus boom mic, all platform compatibility and Windows Sonic spatial sound. It is also Skype, Discord and TeamSpeak certified, and that's pretty much it for the reading of the box. And now let's quickly open this up. The first thing we get in the box is the voice splitter cable. Second, we get some user manual and instructions, but we are pro so we don't need this. Last but not the least, we get the headphones itself. Oh look, there are some candy in here. Nice. Here is the Quantum 200. Let's take off this plastic sheet. And it's all good now. So overall the headphones feel very nice. We have memory foam cushions and angled 3.5mm jack. So that was the unboxing and now let's test this thing out and see how it performs. Design and build quality. Starting with the design, JBL Quantum 200 are well-designed headphones. For the color options, we only get black. Though overall feel of the device is very premium. We have various matte and glossy surfaces, a volume wheel at the back, nice cushioning on the ear cups and padding on the headband. On each ear cup we have JBL logo and on the inside we have left and right label as well. Now it says on the website that the ear cups are detachable, but I wasn't able to do that. So if you know how to do it, please let me know in the comments down below. We also have braided cable and angled 3.5mm jack. The headphones weighs 245 grams, which is pretty lightweight when compared to other gaming headphones. Most of the gaming headphones in this market weighs around 300 to 500 grams. So in that perspective, these are almost feather-like. All in all, the Quantum 200 feels very premium. I don't think you will feel like it's some low quality headphone plastic build, but the build quality is solid as well, way better than the 100. So if you get one, it should last long. Comfort and fitting. Now before pulling the trigger on any of these headphones or earphones, we have to make sure that it is comfortable and fits securely. So in that terms, JBL Quantum 200 outperforms. The ear cups, headbands have memory foam and they are so comfortable to wear. I can easily wear them if I was streaming on Twitch for 5 to 6 hours straight. Now the ear cups are also capable of swiveling, which means you can pack them into your backpack if you want to. But these doesn't fold like some other headphones you see in the market. Otherwise the headphones are very secure fit, so if you swing your head too much while playing games, then they shouldn't fall down easily. Features. Now on the features side, there is not much to it. First of all, they are compatible with multiple devices like PC, mobile, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, Mac and VR. So there is nothing you can't use these headphones with. Second, we have the flip up mic to mute. So whenever you flip the mic up, it will mute automatically, and that's pretty much wrap up the features of this device. Now speaking of the inline mic, the mic on this thing is fabulous. Your PUBG squad will definitely love you for that. Now instead of bragging, let me give you a quick audio test of the inline mic so you can judge by yourself. Test of the mic on these headphones. So this is what the person you are talking to will hear your voice. Sound quality. Now coming down to the most crucial part of any audio device, which is the sound quality itself. So talking about that, for that the driver size of these headphones is 50mm, which is capable of producing 20Hz to 20kHz of frequency range. In actual response, I will say the device produced phenomenal sound quality. The mids, lows and highs are so good. Everything is well balanced. You can also turn on the surround sound and then you will get surround sound and you can hear the footstep from all around. All in all, they make gaming to be an immersive experience. Unlike the Quantum 100, this produces that rumbling bass kind of effect, so it makes you feel the sounds of blasts and gunshots to be more real. And not just the gunshots, the headphones are very clear, they are detailed in high end, so vocal dialogues and everything is well pronounced on these. Now it is also amazing in terms of isolation. It will block so much sound and you will only hear the sound of the game. Now I can say that you can also enjoy music on this as well. I've tried and I do enjoy listening music on these headphones. So overall, I would say they are amazing in terms of sound quality and I will recommend this to you. Price. Now coming down to the price of these headphones, these are priced at 4,000 rupees or $60 on Amazon.com. And by the way, you can always find the best deals from the links down below in the description. So for the price, I will say that it is well priced considering the build quality, mic quality, comfort, and most importantly the sound quality. They are worth the price tag. So if you're looking to buy a gaming headphones, then you should definitely check them out, the Quantum 200. Also, if you want me to compare these headphones with something else, then please do let me know in the comments down below. So that's been it guys, that was today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Until then, stay safe, bye bye.